The field mouse and the chipmunk's race. In the green forest, animals loved to run. The field mouse dreamed to win the race. Chipmunk ran fast and everyone cheered. Rabbit smiled, "You can do it too." But the mouse only sighed and kicked the dust. Every morning, animals trained on the soft trail. Chipmunk's steps were light and quick. Field mouse tried to follow but tripped often. Squirrel giggled kindly, "Don't give up." Mouse nodded, but his heart felt heavy. The day of the forest race was near. Chipmunk looked ready and full of joy. Mouse saw him smiling and felt a sting. "Why can't I be like him?" he thought. He went home and hid under the leaves. That night, Rabbit knocked on his door. "Mouse, come see something," Rabbit said. They walked quietly to the forest hill. There, Chipmunk was already running laps. "He trains every dawn," Rabbit whispered softly. Mouse watched in surprise and felt small. The morning dew sparkled under Chipmunk's feet. "He works hard," Mouse whispered. Rabbit smiled, "You can work hard too." Mouse nodded, feeling a new spark inside. The next morning, Mouse woke up early. The sun had not yet touched the trees. He stretched his legs and started to run. Birds sang softly as he ran the trail. He slipped, stood up, and kept going. Days passed, and Mouse trained each dawn. Squirrel and Rabbit joined to cheer him on. He ran faster, jumped higher, breathed steady. Chipmunk saw him one day and smiled. "You're getting faster," Chipmunk said kindly. The forest race day finally arrived. All animals gathered around the big oak tree. Rabbit waved the flag and shouted, "Ready, go." Chipmunk dashed ahead like a flash. Mouse followed, heart beating strong and proud. Halfway through, Mouse saw a fallen branch. Chipmunk jumped over it easily. Mouse tripped but quickly stood again. He ran with all his little strength. The crowd cheered, "Go, Mouse, go." At the finish line, Chipmunk came first. Mouse came second, panting but smiling. Squirrel shouted, "You did it, Mouse." Mouse said, "I didn't win, but I grew." The forest clapped, proud of his bright heart.